This segment is sponsored by Carr Carr, attorneys at law. Many of us are ready to get out and hit the road, but you need to be mindful on those motorcycles. To help us know the law is attorney Michael Carr. Back on the show, Michael. Always so good to see you.
That was great to see you too. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so we're talking about motorcycles. What are some of the most common ways that motorcycle collisions happen?
Well, really the most common way that a motorcycle collision occurs is not because of a speeding motorcycle, which some might think, but it's actually because of a car turning left out in front of a motorcycle. Oftentimes cars turn out in front of motorcycle drivers because they just have trouble seeing them. In fact, there was a study done by the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration, which did conclude that the number one cause was cars just not being able to see the motorcycles because they're just small. They're not as plentiful as regular motor vehicles, and so that's really the number one cause, just not being able to see the motorcycle.
And when it comes to, motorcycle gear, how does wearing a helmet make a difference?
Motorcycle drivers, if they wear helmets, they reduce their chances of dying in a motorcycle crash by 41%. It is probably the safest thing a motorcycle driver can do to protect themselves is wear a helmet. And not only can that reduce your chances of dying in a motorcycle crash, but it can also reduce your chance of having a significant brain injury. A lot of times I see cases where a motorcycle driver survives the crash, but they have a life-altering traumatic brain injury, which just really turns their life incredibly upside down. So wearing that motorcycle helmet is very important.
Yeah, that's good information to know. Now, how riskier is it to drive a motorcycle compared to just driving a regular vehicle?
Well, this statistic really surprised me. I mean, I figure that driving a regular motor vehicle would be safer than driving a motorcycle. But if you are driving a motorcycle, you are 27 times more likely to die in a crash than if you're driving a regular motor vehicle. So driving a motorcycle, it's fun. It can be done safely, but do know that your chances of dying in a crash is 27 times more likely than it is if you're driving a regular car.
Yeah, so really important to be safe when you're driving that motorcycle and wear the right gear. Now, what am I entitled to if I'm driving a motorcycle and somebody else hits me?
Right. So if you're driving a motorcycle and another car does something negligent to cause a collision with you, whether it's rear ends you while you're driving the motorcycle, it turns out in front of you and causes a collision and you're injured, you're entitled to things from that other driver's insurance carrier. So, for example, if you have to go to a hospital or physical therapy and you're incurring medical expenses, well, the other driver should have insurance, and that other driver's insurance carrier should pay you for those medical expenses. If you've missed work and you have lost wages, you should be entitled to receive that back as well. And also compensation just for the pain and suffering that you're going through, the physical pain and suffering, the mental pain and suffering. All those things are things that you should be entitled to from the other driver's insurance carrier. And that's what we do here at Carr Carr. We help people obtain that compensation they deserve.
Michael, thank you so much. We hope you never get into a wreck, but if you do, know you can turn to Carr Carr attorneys for help with personal injury, also Social Security, disability, and workers' comp. You can call them at 405-691-1600 or find them online. That's at carcarr.com.